Today we are going to cover the topic doodle, okay? And for that, first what we are going to do is we are going to learn some basic shapes. So first we are going to start with the square shape, okay? Come on everyone. What you have to do is slipping line, straight line, okay? First we are going to draw the shapes, square shape. Now we are simply going to convert these basic shapes into some emotions. Okay, means we are going on with the doodling, so we have to create some different emotions and all. Come on everyone, jump into my screen. So the first one I'm going to create is the shocked face. Okay, shocking face. Okay, so for that what I'm going to do is first I'm going to draw two ovals. Come on everyone, look at my screen. First I'm going to draw two ovals. Okay, and then small circle inside that, and I'm going to fill that circle. Small circle inside that, and I'm going to fill that circle eyeball. Okay, and then I'm drawing C line eyebrow. C line eyebrow. And then here I'm going to draw again slipping oval. And then I'm just going to fill that. Slipping oval, and I'm just going to fill that. And here I'm going to draw small triangle shape, okay? Small triangle shape. Or what you can do is you can join this triangle shape, okay? Like this. You can go on like this. And now the next I'm going to do is sleepy face. Okay, sleepy face. For that what I'm going to do is first I'm going to draw two C's, two eyebrows. Okay, one on the left, one on the right. Two C's, two eyebrows. And after that, straight line and then waves. Straight line and then waves. After that, you have to draw again sleepy oval, and then you have to fill that half. Okay, you have to fill that half from the bottom. This is my basic sleepy face. And the next one that is we are going to do is boring face. Boring, bored face. So for that, again, I'm going to draw two circles inside my triangle shape. And then slipping line inside that circles and the top line. Slipping line and then top line inside that circles. Again that semicircle line and then the small c on the right. Semicircle line and the small c on the right. First we are learning the basic emotions, okay? Shocking, sleepy, boring, angry. Okay, first we are going to learn the basic. Yes, nice, Neha Reddy. And the last one I'm going to do is angry. What I'm going to do? Angry. So for that, first I'm going to draw two small circles. Okay, and I'm going to join that circle with the C shape. Two small circles, eyeball inside that, and you have to join that eyes with the C shape. Left C that is going upwards, right C that is going upwards. Okay, so now I have to create the mouth part. So come on, everyone, have a look here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create something shaped like rounded rectangle. Look, slant rounded rectangle. And then I just have to draw the straight lines and slipping lines. First, I have to create the shape like the rounded triangle in the slant. And then I have to create the straight lines and slipping lines inside that. This is my angry face. Now we are jumping towards to some twisted shapes. Okay, some twisted shapes and some emotions. Come on, everyone, have a look here. Now what you have to do is, now again we are going on with the angry face, but we are going to level up that. Okay, so have a look. First, what you have to do, first you have to draw a straight line and then the slipping line. Straight line and the slipping line. You have to draw the slipping line on the 1/4. Okay, straight line and the slipping line. Now we are again going to draw the angry face. Okay, now come on, everyone, have a look on my screen. Now you have to look here carefully. Okay, now first I'm starting with my eyebrow part. Okay, so how I'm starting with my eyebrow part? Now here I'm drawing slant line and then the again slant line that is facing downwards. Rectangle shape eyebrow. Okay, that is my right one. Again repeating that on the left. Slant line and one more slant line that is facing downwards. Rectangle shape eyebrow. Okay, so this is my eyebrow shape. Now I'm going to create my eyes. So simply I'm going to draw the oval and then fill the color. Simply I'm going to draw the oval and fill the color. After that, what I have to do, instead of nose, I'm drawing two C's line that are facing downwards. Okay, and two small lines inside your eyes, because when you become angry, so there are small lines on your means at bottom of your eyes. Okay, after doing this, I'm simply going to draw the sad face. Okay, sad smiley. And when you become angry, okay, when you become angry, your both eyebrows become joint. Okay, your both eyebrows become joint and there are some marks. So what I'm going to do is curvy line that is facing upwards. Okay, curvy line that is facing upwards. And now I'm simply going to rub my straight line. Have a look here, everyone. Now I'm simply going to rub my straight line and my slipping line. Look. Curvy lines that are facing topwards, and I'm just going to fill my eyebrow. And then I'm drawing square shape, rounded square shape. I'm going to explain you again. Please have a look here first, okay? Look, I'm drawing the rounded square shape. So again, this is my angry face. Okay, this was my basic angry face.